Hi guys, so let's move on to our third question in the series, which is to accept an n numbers from user, compute and display maximum in the list, minimum in the list, sum and average of numbers. So basically we have to take n numbers from the user and then put it in a list, as we have to find maximum in the list, minimum, sum and average numbers. So let's directly head on to the text editor and start a code. So here I have done this pretty basic setup which you can see in our first video. So let's head on to the question directly. So first of all we would need an integer n, which is the total number of elements in an list, means user is going to give how many numbers. So let us take 5 numbers, and then let us take, and the next 5 lines would consist of the 5 elements. So let it be 12, 23, 45, 67 and 89, 80. So let's take an variable n and then put the integer of input, means we will take the number of element in the n variable, and then we have to loop through n. We have to loop for n times to take this 5 elements or the n elements from the input. So we have to loop through n time. For I in range n, we have to, let's create an array, global array. In Python, arrays are basically list. So let's take an list of number, so empty list, and then array dot append the input of integer of input. So we will typecast the input to integer, and then after appending, let's print this out, array. So let's run this file. So you can see 12, 23, 45, 67 and 80 is got printed. So we have inbuilt function for these few parameters such as max, min, sum, and then we can find out average using all this. So let's print the max of array list. So let's run. So you can see 80 got printed, and 80 is the maximum number. So if I change here any element to 100 and let's run this again, you can see 100 will get printed. It doesn't matter it should be at first or last. Max function directly calculates and see which is the maximum element in the array. And here, as we have converted this into an int, means each number into an integer, it can find the value based on the integer type. If I don't use this int, so if I don't use this int and directly take the input, then it will be appended as a string. So we can see that, so you can see that here we have got the string. These are all string representations. And then here now we are getting 80 as an maximum value. Why? So this string 80, or this all strings are converted into the ASCII values and then compared across them to see which is the maximum element. So using ASCII element, 80 is coming to be the maximum number. So max of array gives us 80. So here, as we are getting this error and it is calculating on based on strings, but we require it as an integer, as we are checking these numbers. These are not strings, these are numbers. So we will convert this input to integer. That's the reason for converting this input into an integer and then appending it. Similarly, as we have printed the max, we can also print the min. So you can see 100 is the maximum number and 12 is the minimum. So let's take -1 and let's see what happens. So we have to always consider the edge test cases. So try with using various test cases. So we got the maximum and minimum. So let's modify this a little bit. max element is space comma. Let's paste this and min. So let's run this. So max element is 100, min element is -1. So let's remove this print. So we have found out the maximum and the minimum. Now we need to require the sum. So for sum also we have an inbuilt function sum, which needs an argument as an iterative object, means the tuple list or any iterative object on which we can iter, and then sum will calculate the sum of that elements. So sum of array. So let's print sum is, and then this sum. So let's run this. So you can see 291. So let's try it. 1 2 3 4 5. So we'll take this 5. So 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15. So we should get 15 as an output. So you can see 15 is an output. So sum is also working correctly. Now we have to find the average. So basically the average formula is sum of each element divided by the number of elements. So we can directly calculate it. Print, and then average is space and then average. So we have to calculate sum of array divided by n. So n is the number of elements which we have taken at the first. So this was the reason to take n at the first, so we can easily use and calculate the average. So therefore we took n at a starting. So we took the number of elements and then the n lines which consist the elements. So let's print this. So you can see 15 divided by 5, it is 3.0, as divide returns float. So let's convert it to int. Let's run this. You can see average is 3. So let's change this to 10, 100, 200, 5, 6, 7, and it's 7, some random numbers. So let's save and run this. So you can see maximum element here is the 987, minimum is the 09, and then sum is 3118, and average is 311. So this was the question to accept 10 numbers and compute 10 display maximum, minimum, sum and average. So that's all for this video. Let's meet in our next video.